Hi, in today's quick tip tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Skyswitch button builder in the Skyswitch portal. First, you want to go to PBX. You want to go to Domains. Click the domain you want to go to. Then you want to click Users. Now you want to have your users built with your telephones. So right now I'm going to go to my own user. Click on that, and now we're going to scroll over to Phones. And extension 101, telephone's already built, but after it's built, we're going to see this button builder right here. Click on that. And then your phone template will show on the screen here. You can see here I'm using a Yealink T41S. It's got the MAC address on it, and it looks exactly like the phone that's on my desk. This line appearance key will be on there automatically. What you're going to want to do is build the rest of the buttons. These should all be blank. They'll all look like this right here. It'll say unassigned. So you can see I've built a couple park buttons that I showed you how to do in another video. But let's add another button here. So what you would do is just click on the button, select the feature. We're going to make user BLF keys right here. So click on user BLF. Now to enter the extension number, you're going to just start typing in the number of the extensions. So ours start with 1, so I'll click a 1 and you'll see them all come up here. So for this button, I've already made these two buttons here, so I'm going to make a third one. I'm going to put in Chris's extension. And we're going to type his name in there for the label. And that's all you need to do. Click Save. Now you'll probably need to reboot the phone for this to show on your phone. And that's all there is to it.